Okay. This is the Genesis / SMS Sega Master System, multi-carts and repo carts. Now if you look here closely, you'll see a little button right there sticks through. Okay, so I'm going to put up my Master System. Okay, so that button, the TV is a very, very crappy picture, but so that button, when I push it, it's going to switch games. Push it again. 1, 2, 3. Need to hold it about 2 seconds, maybe. And if it doesn't start up, then you just power off and power back on. It's a little finicky about rebooting. There's Fantasy Zone, the Maze. If I hit the button again, turn it off, turn it back on, because sometimes it doesn't like to reboot. Other times it does. Maybe I just need to push it quicker. I haven't quite got it down yet. And I'm going to push it again. I think it's when in the title screen is when it switches a little easier. Push it again. So the cartridge, you don't have to have the little button sticking through. Come on. You don't have to drill a hole and have the button there. There is the possibility of putting a magnet sensor to where you don't have to drill any holes. You just wave a magnet in this corner. And so anyway, so this is the Sega Master System multi-cart, and it obviously can also do single games like Phantasy Star and R-Type and these others. And then on the inside, that's what it looks like. This is still my prototype, so the final version won't have this big jumper wire. But here is the Genesis side. So I could take the same cart, put it in a Genesis shell, and run it on my Genesis 1 to play the same Master System games. So, and then also when it's in the Genesis shell, there's actually a switch here for pause, and then the switch over here for game cycle. So anyways, I'll have to do a different video showing that because I've run out of parts, and I need to order some more parts before I can, specifically the switches. But anyways, this is finally nearing completion, and I think it's pretty cool.